Hello mga bars. Ito yung aking ginagawa. Let's watch this book! Mga mukbangers, ngayong araw po is magluluto po ako ng aking special na sweet and sour chicken. Ito po yung pinaka the best, as the best na recipe na gagawin ko ngayon. Original version ko po to, original marinated. Ang marinated po nito is itlog, salt, pepper in, magic sarap. Ito po yung simple chicken wings marination. Very easy. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko is nagpapainit ako ng mantika. Then pa-fry ko muna yung aking marinated na wings. Ipa-fry ko muna lahat to. At pupunta na tayo sa susunod na gagawin natin. Tutukan nyo lang kung anong gagawin ko mga ka-mukbangers. Ito yung napakasarap pala nito. First time kong gawin to. Sana maging success yung aking recipe ngayon. Please watch all the steps I'm doing now. Follow the procedure. Magugustuhan ng mga anak na to. Napakasarap nito sa akin. Dahil natin maprito ko lahat. Try ko lang para maging toasted yung aking sweet and sour chicken wings. Very easy recipe lang po to. Easy way of how I prepare my own version of sweet and sour chicken wings. Very special because today is special. Kahit pagod sa trabaho, kailangan natin magsikap para sa pangarap. Sacrifice is key to success, to achieve your goal in life. That's it. That's my motto. Now, i-deploy lang natin. Babalikan natin mamaya. Pinapry ko yung aking chicken wings with the overload it lang po para hindi sunog yung sa labas, tapos hilaw yung sa loob. It means ginawa ko itong overload it kasi para maging balance yung pagkaluto ng manok. Luto sa loob at luto sa labas. Crispy and yummy, juicy pa. That's the way of how I prepare my chicken fry. That's your idea. I give you idea of how you prepare your own delicious recipe for your kids, your family, occasionally. Guys, now I make all fry, then we will proceed to the next event or next procedure. Huwag kang pipikit. Sunod-sunod na to. So guys, this is all my ingredients I'm using in my sweet and sour chicken wings. Soy sauce, ketchup, sugar, because I want spicy, I put Tabasco, and salt, 1 piece of tomato, 10 piece of chili, 1 piece of onion, lemongrass. Now we prepare. Simple tips of how you slice. Very easy. But take care your hand, no? Later you put bell pepper, but I don't have bell pepper, that's why I'm not putting. Please, if you put some tomato in your food, please always remove the seeds because seeds is very hard to digest to your body. This is acid. This is very dangerous, no? Now guys, this is my cutting skill. So ready to prepare. I'm waiting for my buffalo cook. Very tasty. Simple marination. This is my simple marination only. Egg, salt, pepper, and Ajinomoto or matis sarap. I'm not putting all-purpose flour or cornstarch because I'm on diet. That's why I don't want carbo. That's why I remove this marination. I don't want this in my recipe. Now we are waiting to fried chicken. Now we make our sauce, homemade sauce. First of thing I put like additional Tabasco in my recipe, but this is in my own version of my recipe, no Tabasco, but I additional only for my craving spicy. Now I put Tabasco and ketchup. And 4 spoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put 5 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it well, no? This is now our sauce for our sweet and sour. Then we put some salt. Half spoon of salt. See, it's too salty because of soy sauce. Now we less our salt for taste. You want additional Ajinomoto or magic syrup or all seasonings for food? It's up to you guys. Now this is my sauce for my sweet and sour. Very simple sauce. See what the result of this. This is my fried chicken. According to my recipe, we will proceed to my second procedure. Let's set aside the chicken and we will proceed for fry our ingredients. Now, let's put our onion. A very easy way of how I prepare my own version of sweet and sour chicken wings. Next is our tomato. And our spicy chili. And fry until it becomes golden brown. Let's fry and stir until it becomes golden brown. Let's put lemongrass. This lemongrass helps in food, make it yummy. And also smell delicious. Next I put black pepper. Now everything's ready. We will put our sauce. Or it's like a barbecue sauce, but it's not. This is not a barbecue. We will mix until it becomes creamy. A very easy way of how I prepare my own version of sweet and sour chicken wings. It's already become creamy. Let's put our final now. This is my sauce now. Very creamy, very delicious. We will try my sauce. What is the taste? Wow! The combination in sweet and sour. Very spicy, guys. This is the last thing I put to my sweet and sour, my fried chicken. So spicy. The smell is very delicious, guys. Wow. We will mix all the chicken, become coated with our sauce. This is my finished recipe for today, guys. My chicken wings, sweet and spicy, very nice, delicious and yummy. Now I make some garnish of this. You will see how I garnish. A simple lemon brush. This is now my finished presentation, guys. See? Please subscribe my YouTube channel, William Kitchen Skill. For more cooking updates, please subscribe and like. Thank you and God bless you all. Stay safe, guys. Guys, this is now my finished presentation of my chicken wings, sweet and sour. The perfect combination of sweetness and little sour and too spicy. This is the best combination I make. The best of my recipe, guys. See how it looked like, no? It's a very simple procedure of how I prepare this food, but I guarantee you 100% for taste, no? It's very yummy, delicious, and very juicy, guys. Try this in your home. This is good for your baby occasion. It's very cheap ingredients.